Type 2 diabetics do make insulin. They do for a while. I mean, the lipotoxicity can get to the point where they stop making it, but they do. Hey, we just read a meal. Here we come in. They load up. Here we go. We're drop you off on the cells. Beep, beep, beep. Drop it off. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Drop it off. Drop it off. Something's going on here. You guys see this? Look at the blood sugar level. The blood sugar level is still high because these cells have become insulin resistant. She's following me. She's got it.
I'm also diabetic.
When we eat our food or all this cholesterol, actually the extra cholesterol that's given us this buildup of this grease and meat and cheese and made our endothelial lining sticky, cholesterol goes wandering through. Hey, here we go. Let's go build some hormones. Let's go build some cells. It gets kind of stuck in here. Wait for it, get the middle school prop, and these become small and dense and hard. Those are stones. That was an effective sound, yeah. Okay, they become small and dense and hard, and these small, dense, hard molecules that were supposed to be on their way to go make our body and go make our hormones and other things, is now stuck in a little red brick road. And it's this pebble stuck in there, and it makes its way into the sub-endothelial space, underneath endothelium, in other words. It's like having a splinter under your nail. And your body's saying, what is this? What is this? What does your body build around something that's a foreign object? Middle school word starts with a P. Yes, pus is a good one. It's all these like white blood cells and things that want to get it out. It ruptures. And when it ruptures, it means that this whole membrane is torn, and all this stuff spills out. You're like, ah. It doesn't sound like that, but it ruptures. And when your body bleeds, what does your blood likes to do? What? Clot. So I am now a clot. I am now a clot. And the blood is flowing to the head, but it can't get there. Stroke. The blood is flowing to the toes, but it can't get there. Intermittent claudication is a fancy word for like crazy leg pain. No blood to the hose. What's it called? Thank you. My middle school kids are quicker at answering that than you guys were. No blood to the hose is called? Okay, 4 of you had confidence. I'm not going to move on until this classroom is all on board. I'm greasing the skids. We're going below the belt. No blood to the hose is called? Everybody else, fine. There we go. Thank you. Okay.